Students, today I am going to discuss with you about the remaining part of the pronouns and the other 5 types of pronouns, which are interrogative pronoun, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, distributive pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. Now first to the point 5, interrogative pronoun. What is interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are used to ask any questions. The 5 interrogative pronouns are who, what, which, whom, and whose. Who is, we use who to refer to persons only. Who can be used with both singular and plural nouns. What? What? We use the pronoun what for objects and both objects and persons. Which is referred to only objects. Whom, we use the pronoun whom to refer to the object of a verb or a preposition, and the pronoun whose we use to show possession. Whose refers to people and things. Whose is also used to refer to non-living thing. Sometimes whose is used in place of which. Now, relative pronouns. What is relative pronoun? Relative pronouns are used to refer to noun mentioned earlier in the sentence. They also help us join two sentences. The relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, that, and which. Relative pronouns are used to join two sentences. Relative pronoun who, whose, whom are used for people. We use the relative pronoun which to refer to the animals and things, and we use the relative pronoun that to refer to both people and things. We also use what as a relative pronoun in the sense of that which or the thing which. We often incorrectly use who in place of whom. Remember that who function as a subject and whom function as an object in a sentence. For example, doctors who care for their patients are respected. In this sentence, who is used as a subject. Doctors, subject, and it function as a subject. Who care for, the relative pronoun who is a subject and we use who. But patients want doctors whom they can trust. Here the pronoun whom is function as an object in a sentence. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific people and things. These are these, that, and those. The word these, that, these, and those are called demonstrative pronouns when they refer or point to nouns. When we use the words these, that, these, those before nouns, they are called demonstrative adjectives. Next, distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are used to talk about people or things as individual member of a pair or a group. A distributive pronoun is always singular and is therefore followed by a singular verb. Either or, neither nor, each, everyone, all these are demonstrative pronouns, and all these pronoun is always singular and therefore followed by a singular verb. Now the last is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are used to talk about people or things in general. They do not refer to specific things. For example, anyone, anybody, anything, someone, somebody, something, no one, nobody. All these are called indefinite pronouns.